It's 2013 Kia Soul. I'm doing spark plugs on this Joker. I took my needle nose, got this breather hose off. I got to the side. I got this. I think this is probably like a fuel pressure sensor. It's a fuel regulator. I'm gonna take a 10 millimeter. I might not have to pull the harness off these oils, but I'll find out. This is 1.6. I want to work on one of these. I don't really do a lot of direct injection vehicles because it's still fairly new. Got that Ford out there, and I put brakes on a little while ago. Alright. I think this is the 5/8. And what do you know? Sure is. Look like the spark plugs are on, man. Well, they don't look that bad. Got 116,000 on it, I think. Yeah, you can see it's burning pretty decent. I don't see nothing too abnormal. I mean, it's just age. That soot right there has come from a little bit of oil. I don't think that's nothing out of the ordinary. Got heat compression seeping through the plugs there. 116,000 miles. I don't expect the world out of them. I wonder what the intake valve look like, since direct injections are notorious for having problems. The intake valves. I ain't never had to tear into these motors, so I wouldn't know what it's like to have to work on one of these. What the hell does it smell? Something died in this car? Golly. There's some nuts in there. I mean, unless a squirrel somewhere dead up in there. It has a, ugh, it's an odor. I'm really a little concerned. I had to dig all up in this car because I mean, there's a nice little nest of nuts right there. Unless I didn't look under that engine cover that well. Ugh. What about that? Started. Let's get Keep it on. And we can put some electric grease in there. Why not, right? Let's get it back in there. Wiring order of 4-cylinder 1843572, right? The easiest V8 I've ever done. I really want to know what that smell is, though. Looking in places where I don't belong. They make everything out of plastic on cars. I swear, even on some of the 2013s, I've still had to repair some of the stuff because they prematurely broke. And back in the day, like in the 90s, like cars that had aluminum radiators, them jokers lasted until I started driving, like 18 years. That old. That's that. And got the breather in there. Got that on there. Put the cover back on it. Oh, ain't nothing under there. Let's go on there. Gotta fix his battery the way he said. I mean, so there's a connection issue. Those aftermarket hold down straps are sold everywhere now. So if these are new battery terminals, and yep, they're like a two-piece design. Work quite efficiently. Alright. So he said there was issues with it. This terminal getting loose. Alright, I'll address that shortly. I'm gonna pull this air filter out. They got a new air filter also. Vacuum real quick and vacuum this stuff out. 1 second.